This exam pass question on the board will be used to explain how easy it is to solve questions in arithmetic progression, such that when you find it in an examination, you don't even need to waste any time. Within seconds, you are done devastating it. Welcome to Maths is Fun with Odali, where we don't just teach mathematics, we love mathematics. We are passionate about helping students understand mathematics. We know that if you do not have a good tutor, you will not enjoy mathematics. You will see it as boring. We don't want you to see it like that. So please do well to hit the subscribe button if you really want to learn how to solve mathematics within seconds. Let's go straight to the business for today, arithmetic progression. Are you with your pen and paper? Let's go. The question says, find the 10th term of an arithmetic progression where the first term is 5 and the common difference is 2. We'll be leaving the B part for now. Let's focus on that A part. But before we explain how to solve the A part, let's use this scenario to help you understand the concept of arithmetic progression. So imagine that you decide to save money in a bank that gives $2 every month for the money you save. You have just $5 to save. So you put in your $5 in the first month. Woo! By the end of next month, you're already seeing $7 in your account, isn't it? In the third month, you are seeing $9, and so on and so forth. Someone now asks you that, okay, in 10 months, how much will you be having in your account? That is, if you do not withdraw any of the amount. Do you need to start calculating it month by month, month by month? That will take you time. You don't need to go through all that process. The concept of arithmetic progression will help you understand or even solve that problem in seconds. So let's go to the board. Look at the solution part. Please keep your eyes glued on the board. You will see that there's a formula on that board. It's AN, which refers to the nth term. The nth term refers to, for instance, in this is our example, the 10th month. The nth term of the arithmetic progression is given as small letter a plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket d. I'll tell you what every of this represents. The small letter a represents the first term. The first term, that is like in this case, our example, we said is the first money you put, which is your $5. And then the n is referring to what month are you talking about here? The 10th month. Okay, the 10th month, 10. And the D refers to the common difference, that is the interest that the bank gives you every month. Are you ready? Let's go straight to business. We are going to put in all of this inside that formula. So let's give the values now. A10, which is the 10th term of the arithmetic progression, is given as A, which is 5, plus 10 minus 1, D, which is our 2. Are you there? All right. Then the next thing to do is to deal with the one in the bracket before we move to the one outside the bracket. That is the rule of mathematics. Remember the rule of BODMAS? B first, which is bracket. So 10 minus 1 gives us 9. 9 multiplied by 2 outside the bracket gives us 18. Do you see how we got 5 plus 18 down there? So 5 plus 18 gives us 23. So what we just did is that the 10th term of this AP, which is called the arithmetic progression, is 23. At the end of 10 months, you'll be having $23 in your account. Easy peasy, isn't it? Have you gave us a thumbs up already? Please, let me pause the video at this point to let you do that. Have you also hit the subscribe button? Thank you so much for that. The B part of the question, let's go to the next part. It says, find the sum. Take note, the question is different here. Find the sum of the first 12 terms of this arithmetic progression. It's a different question. At this point, I don't want this video to be too long. But the next video that will follow this one will explain how to find the sum of a sequence. Take note, an arithmetic progression is also referred to as a sequence. So we're going to find how to get the sum of a sequence in the next video. For now, if you've got any questions or if there's any part of the video that you don't understand, you can do well to write your comments, ask your questions in the comment section. We will try our best to respond to your comments at the right time. At the same time, if at any point I rushed any of the explanations, please go back again and watch the video again. I'm very sure that this arithmetic progression is nothing more than this. Alright? Till we meet again, this is Maths is Fun with Ogali. Bye!